Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It's another quarantine lesson, and today I'm gonna show you how to make pasta alla Norma, a Sicilian recipe. So the ingredients for 3 people are 1.5 aubergine, more or less, some basil, bunch of basil, Parmesan cheese, passata or chopped tomato whatever you have handy, 240, I put 260 because I'm hungry, grams of pasta, olive oil, garlic, and optional because the original recipe is with ricotta salata, which is impossible to source here in Ireland. I'm gonna try to put something that I found in a Polish shop with some kind of cottage hard dry cheese that I will shave after on top of it. So let's get up to it. So first thing, you have to prepare the ingredients. I chopped the aubergines in that thickness, and I put some salt on top of it, and I let them rest for 40 minutes. As you can see, they release some water which we have to get rid of. So this water gives kind of a bitterness, how do you say, bitterness, Jesus, to the aubergines, and we have to get rid of it. So what I'm gonna do is now squeeze the aubergines one by one so that they release the last water. Get rid of this, and then we start chopping them in squares. So once you chop your aubergines, you put a big pan, and around, let's say, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin. This is optional. I like with garlic. I put 2 cloves garlic frying there. See, when it's golden, it's pretty much done its job, its purpose, and we can get rid of it. Now I will add Now, in the meantime, you can put your usual water to boil, and when it's boiling, you add salt on it. And here I will add just some pepper because you have to be careful because we put the salt to take the water off already. And we can just add it later if the salt is not going to be tasty enough. So when you see that the aubergines are fried, you see the color, and they are becoming soft, it's the time for us to put tomato. It would have been better with chopped tomatoes or peeled tomatoes, but this is what I had, and it's okay. So now I'm gonna add my basil that I chopped, and we can add a bit of water so that it cooks a little bit more. So this needs to cook around 10 minutes. If you see that it thickened too much, just add some water. In the meantime, I put my pasta. So this is totally optional because, as I said, this is not the ricotta salata which is needed for this recipe, but it's something similar that I found in the Polish shop. So you just kind of it's a bit too wet for the purpose, but it's okay. and then we will add this on top of the pasta. Okay, my pasta is ready, al dente, as usual. Add it to the sauce. We add plenty parmesan, depend about your taste. I like it plenty. We stir it. And now we proceed to put it on the dish. Put this sprinkle on top. A little basil. And this is my pasta alla Norma. Buon appetito!